From episode 1 to episode 4, we had enough discussion about gamma functions. We had talked about what is gamma function and how to deal with different problems, different situations and formulae of gamma function from episode 1 to 4. If you have not seen 1 to 4, so I request you, before watching this video, go through episode 1 and 1 to 4 related to only gamma functions. Then come back to this episode. If you know already some basic knowledge about gamma function, then continue watching. Now the question is 0 to infinity x raised to a divided by a raised to x dx. We have to evaluate this and hence show that so and so equals to 120 divided by log 5 to the base e whole raised to 6. We are going to use logarithmic property. Here a raised to x is there. That can be written as e raised to log a raised to h to the base e, because we know logarithmic property p equals to e raised to log p to the base e. This is a logarithmic property, logarithmic formula. By using this, we can convert a raised to x equals to e raised to log a raised to x to the base e. Implies I equals to 0 to infinity x raised to a, and in place of a raised to x, e raised to log a raised to x to the base e with respect to x. This can be written as 0 to infinity x raised to a divided by e raised to x log a to the base e with respect to x. Let x multiplied by log a to the base e equals to t implies x equals to t divided by log a to the base e, call it 1. Also, we have x log a to the base e equals to t. Differentiating both sides with respect to t. So we get dx by dt equals to 1 upon log a to the base e implies dx equals to 1 upon log a to the base e dt, call it 2. Now we have to change the limits. Here x limits and t limits. X limits are 0 to infinity. Now we have to find out limits for t. Since t equals to x multiplied by log a to the base e, if x equals to 0 implies t equals to 0. 0 multiplied by anything is 0. Similarly, for x equals to infinity, t equals to infinity multiplied by anything is again infinity. So the limits for even t are the same, 0 to infinity. Therefore, I equals to integration 0 to infinity, in place of x, t divided by log a to the base e divided by n x log a to the base e. In place of this, we shall be writing t. So it becomes e raised to t, and in place of dx, we shall be writing this much from 2, that is 1 upon log a to the base e dt, call it number 3. In given question it is x raised to a, therefore here writing t divided by log a to the base e whole raised to a. After that, integration 0 to infinity t raised to a divided by log a to the base e whole raised to a multiplied by 1 upon e raised to t multiplied by 1 upon log a to the base e dt. This is equals to integration 0 to infinity 1 upon log a to the base e whole raised to a plus 1, because here log a to the base e whole raised to a multiplied by 1 upon log a to the base e. This is equivalent to 1 upon log a to the base e whole raised to a plus 1 multiplied by 1 upon e raised to t multiplied by t raised to a and dt. I equals to 1 upon log a to the base e whole raised to a plus 1 taken out of integration. Now 0 to infinity 1 upon e raised to t can be written as e raised to minus t multiplied by t raised to a can be written as a plus 1 minus 1 dt. Now comparing this with standard gamma function of n. So here e raised to minus t, here e raised to minus x, here is n, and in place of n there is a plus 1 and here is a minus 1, here is also minus 1. So the given question is in standard gamma function. Therefore I equals to 1 upon log a to the base e whole raised to a plus 1 multiplied by gamma n equals to a plus 1, therefore multiplied by gamma of a plus 1. Therefore I equals to gamma a plus 1 divided by log a to the base e whole raised to a plus 1. Therefore integration 0 to infinity x raised to a divided by a raised to x with respect to x equals to gamma a plus 1 divided by log a to the base e whole raised to a plus 1, and hence show that integration 0 to infinity here a equals to 5, a equals to 5. So question is similar, only in place of a there is 5. Therefore 0 to infinity x raised to 5 divided by 5 raised to x dx equals to gamma a plus 1, that is gamma 5 plus 1 divided by log a, that is log 5 to the base e whole raised to a plus 1 whole raised to 5 plus 1. So this is equals to gamma 5 plus 1 divided by log 5 to the base e whole raised to 6. Now gamma 5 plus 1 I am directly writing 120. Please tell me how this 120 has come and write down your answer in comment box. I am directly writing 120 to test your understanding level. So how to find gamma 5 plus 1 I already explained in my earlier video. So find the answer and tell me how this 120 has come. So 120 divided by log 5 to the base e whole raised to 6. Hence integration 0 to infinity x raised to 5 divided by 5 raised to x with respect to x equals to 120 divided by log 5 to the base e whole raised to 6 is proved.